subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Good morning friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Sir Abdul Sattar Khan, 8th English New Syllabus, Appreciation of the Poem, English Workshop and Question Answer, 4.3 Golden Chain. Let's begin. Write the name of your closest true friend vertically and prepare an acrostic using every letter in the name. Refer to wordplay on page 73. For example, reliable, inspiring, trustworthy, encouraging, supportive and hardworking. ये एक्रोस्टिक है रितेश का. रितेश से हमने आर से रिलायबल, आई से इंस्पायरिंग, टी से ट्रस्टवर्थी, ई से इनकरेजिंग, एस से सपोर्टिव और एच से हार्ड वर्किंग बनाया है. अगला एक्रोस्टिक है शकीब. शकीब में एस से सिंसियर, एच से हेल्दी, ए से एक्टिव, के से काइंड, आई से इंटेलिजेंट एंड बी से ब्रेव. Tick the correct before the correct statements. Time can destroy the beauty of friendship. Friendship cannot be bought or sold. It is true. Friendship binds the hands together. Friendship is like a real, rare and precious jewel. ये भी true है. Correct statement है. Friendship has more value than gold. ये भी एक correct statement है. Read the poem and complete the verb. Friendship is compared to golden chain, strong, blessed tie, beauty, worth far more than gold, priceless gift, precious jewel. Say why friendship is compared to the following: a golden chain, a precious jewel, a priceless gift. Answer है friendship is compared to golden chain because it links our dear friends together. It is compared to precious jewel because it grows more precious as each year passes by. Refer to the poem and write down 5 reasons why friendship is the best gift anyone can give you. It grows more precious as each year passes. इसका आंसर है because friendship links dear friends. It grows more precious as each year passes. It binds you together with deep and true love. It gives us rich and happy memories. It can't destroy the beauty of friendship. It continues to give pleasure of friendship. Write the words that go with the following: precious jewel, kindred hearts, happy memories, a precious gift, a priceless gift भी कर सकते हैं. Strongest and blessed tie, understanding friend. Friendship is a golden chain. यहाँ पर ये सही फिगर ऑफ स्पीच को कंपेयर करना है. इसके डायरेक्ट आंसर दिए हैं. फ्रेंडशिप इज़ अ गोल्डन चेन, ये एक मेटाफोर का एग्जाम्पल है. That can be bought or sold, ये एंटीथेसिस का एग्जाम्पल है. उसके बाद है and like a rare and precious jewel, and like a rare and precious jewel ये भी ये सिमिली का एग्जाम्पल है. For as long as memory lives, ये एलिट्रेशन का एग्जाम्पल है. as यहाँ रिपीट हुआ है. For friendship is a priceless gift, ये एक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मेटाफोर है. Think on your own and say why a true friendship can be compared to the following: an evergreen forest, an ever-flowing river, a rainbow after heavy rains. Think and develop a story that leads to the conclusion: a friend in need is a friend indeed. An evergreen forest. Evergreen trees in the forest are our real friends. They are never failing friends. The forest purifies our environment and save us from pollution. They provide us many useful things like fruits, wood, medicines, etc. It gives us great joy by tending wild animals and birds. Man has unmatched and inseparable friendship with the evergreen forest. दूसरे का आंसर है एन एवर फ्लोइंग रिवर. इट इज़ अ नेवर एंडिंग फ्रेंडशिप बिटवीन मैन एंड द एवर फ्लोइंग रिवर. इट इज़ काइंड टू ऑल मैनकाइंड. It suffers a lot to help people selflessly. It gives motherly love to people and they took upon it as a mother. It flows and blows away the dirt, helping them to clean everything. थर्ड है अ रेनबो आफ्टर हेवी रेन. इसका आंसर है द फ्रेंडशिप बिटवीन द रेनबो एंड मैन इज indescribable. After the heavy rain, the sight of rainbow gives great joy and pleasure to people. The colors of the rainbow refresh their minds. Man is always eager to watch the rainbow like a cheerful friend. The rainbow displays the magic of nature and pleases all. Answer है a friend in need is a friend indeed. Sudha and Manda were the best friends. Both were in standard 10. Both of them were good in studies and both were competitors for the first rank. Then a painful tragedy struck. Manda met with an accident. Unfortunately, she lost her eyesight. Shocked at what had happened, Manda lost all hopes and interest in study and everything. Sudha couldn't bear her mental condition. She calmed her down and encouraged her and gave her confidence. She started helping her in her studies. She read aloud the lessons to her and every evening they studied together. Being very intelligent, Manda memorized everything Sudha taught her. She gave her exam with the help of a writer. Both the friends passed SSC with distinction, much to everyone's admiration. All praised their exemplary friendship. Sudha proved that a friend in need is a friend indeed. Appreciation of the poem देखेंगे. Write the appreciation of the poem with the help of the points given below. The title of the poem is Golden Chain. The poem is written by Helen Steiner Rice. The poem has 5 stanzas. Each stanza has 4 lines. The lines that rhyme in each stanza are 2 and 4. The poetess has compared friendship with 3 things. They are golden chain, precious jewel, and priceless gift.